Hello friends, my name is Madlani, RoboFunLab from Porbandar. Today my project name is Get Into Gears. So I have made gear robot from Lego Mindstorm EV3 kit. In this model I have used one EV3 brick, two large motors and gear mechanism. In this model the wheel with teeth is called gear. In this model the drive gear and driven gear are same, so speed will same. Let's see. In this model the drive gear is big and driven gear is small, so speed is fast. In this model the drive gear is small and driven gear is big, so speed will slow. Let's see. In this model I have made a carrier to lift the load on this hill. Let's see how it works. In this model, the drive gear is small and driven gear is big, so speed is slow but force is far more. Thank you.